Guys, get ready as we uncover exclusive leaks and dive into the attractive world of smartphones. Guys, as you know, cameras are vital components of modern smartphones, and as such, we want them to keep getting better with each new model, especially on phones like the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But unfortunately, the Galaxy S24 Ultra cameras and camera setup might be pretty much the same as the one on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. According to new leaks, the Galaxy S24 Ultra won't feature a variable zoom telephoto camera as the rumor previously assumed. Instead, it will feature the identical 4-camera configuration found on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, including a 200 megapixel main shooter, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and 10x and 3x telephoto cameras. As the leaker noted, the only expected camera upgrade is the 10x sensor, which will have minor improvements. Unfortunately, they don't share what these minor improvements could be. In April, TechRev posted on Twitter that Samsung plans to put a variable zoom telephoto camera in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, therefore replacing the 10x and 3x telephoto cameras with one sensor, which will be able to switch between 10x and 3x zoom. However, in their new post, TechRev shared that the plans for the new telephoto camera have been cancelled. Of course, you should take all of these with a grain of salt, since this is only a rumor and Samsung has not confirmed anything at this point. However, if the rumor is true, then it's kind of disappointing that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will basically come with the same camera configuration, but Samsung is doing something extraordinary with the Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5. So guys, this was all about, and at the last, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more thrilling updates on the world of smartphones.